Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET X. Oh shit, X. All roll, man. Today, trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. So today we are on the pair Gbpjpy, and today, I got a sort of a supply, supply setup here that I'm looking at. So basically, what I see in the zone right here is basically created a supply zone right here, and we did wick above, which is, I mean, I guess it's like it didn't react to it like crazy, but I was thinking about getting an entry if it can break below this candle. So yeah, man, if we can get an entry once it breaks below this candle, that'd be nice. But damn, like my stop loss is gonna be like at a decent, my stop loss will have to be bigger than what I would like it to be. So if this day just becomes invalid, and that's what it is. So yeah, man, if I follow the Discord, make sure to go. What the fuck? Follow the Discord? What the fuck? Make sure if y'all join the free trading Discord, make sure you go click the link. Fuck. Make sure you go click the link in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? It's free. You know what I'm saying? I got all type of traders in it. Beginners, people who've been doing this shit like since like '06. Nah, bullshit. I don't think we had nobody who's doing this shit long. That's a long ass time. If I was trading in '06, I wouldn't be in the fucking Discord, nigga. I'd be in fucking France. But yeah, trying to see. Yeah, just join the Discord, man. It's just good vibes, lit vibes. Everybody's being there chilling, and we help each other out. We win. We got profitable traders, funded traders, all that. So make sure you go hop in that, check it out. Yeah, and also if you are interested in my little mini course that I have, just go ahead and click in the description down below. If not, then that's fine. It's just for the people who like how I trade and will like to learn how I trade. And if you don't buy it, I really don't give a shit, cause it's not like if I don't get your sale, I'm gonna be late on rent. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna be on the street just if you don't buy it, bro. I ain't finna sit up here and no. Like I said, if you wanna get it, go get it. But if you don't, I don't. Hey, shit, it's up to you. I ain't got shit to do with it. But yeah, man. Looking forward to get an entry on here if we can break below this candle right here. So we just wait, man. It's 7:13 in the morning. Let me see. Let me check. I don't think we have news till 9 o'clock. So we definitely got a lot of time to trade. So hopefully, I would like to, if possible, get a win early on, and then just hop off the charts and then just go about my goddamn day. Because Lord knows if I get a winning trade, I'm going. Damn. Shit. Lord knows I'm going straight to sleep. Keep it buck with y'all. I'm going naps. I'm going to nap town. You feel me? So, yeah, hopefully it respects the supply zone. And let me see. Nope, we ain't get in yet. Nope. We ain't get in yet. Let me see. Yeah, so we just wait, man. Damn, it just. Oh shit! Come back, come back up a little bit. Oh, hold on now. Yeah, I just want to push that up. Okay, now it's the new candle. So, since I did get in. Okay, shit. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Supposed to get in right there, but my idiot ass. I don't know. I just don't like getting in when a fresh candle's about to start. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? I know everybody else is different, but me personally, that's just me. So I think I'm gonna get my entry in if it breaks below this candle, like that we're currently at right now. Cause I don't know, I just don't like getting in like when it's like 1 minute left. Cause you know usually on candles like that, I like to get in once it creates a wick, push it down. You know, well in this case pushes up and then melts down. So that's kind of why I was kind of hesitant on that. Not gonna lie to you. So uh, like I said, it's just a waiting game, man. Just being patient and just trying not to force anything. Real shit, man. Cause like it feels like 7:13, then yeah, I would have got in. I'm not gonna lie, but it was like 7:14, and that's just me personally. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all want to use this as a tip, I'll just usually just wait till the next candle because there's a minute left, and y'all know how I like to enter. I like to enter when it's wicks above, like after the wick is created above or below. So, if we do get in this trade, if it breaks below the candle that's currently at, my stop loss is gonna be right above here. But in order to do that, you know, G is gonna have to fucking oh shit. All right, that's one entry. Just want to see it just push down a little bit, you know. So, just waiting, man. Just waiting to see what could happen. Hopefully, we can get a win. You know, that'd be nice, amazing, all that in a bag of chips. But we just waiting. We're just what that song is just waiting, waiting. You know, I don't know who the fuck made that song, but if I remember it, you must have did something. You must have did good. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully you living good. You know, you're not a one-hit wonder. Hopefully you made a couple other bangers in your career. Don't know what your name is or what the song is, but I just know that. Yep. Got up out of there. What? Damn. Just like that. Hold on. Damn. I was weird. It just like really just wicked up and then just wicked out like that. Like I ain't gonna lie, that shit was cause I don't know, man. Like moves like that, like usually if I get stopped out like that, I just might get back in if we can. Oh shit. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't know. This is acting kind of odd right now. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely acting a little odd right now. So I'm just trying to observe this shit, you know. Just observe it, man. That's all I'm trying to do right now. I'm just trying to observe it. Uh, trying to be patient. But yeah, we're done. We took our losses today. I'm not gonna lie. We took our losses today. I don't think it wasn't really a big loss. It was just like $188 loss. So, uh, now looking back at it though, I definitely could have. I'm trying to see. I definitely, I don't know. It was playing around a lot in this zone. I'm not gonna lie. It was playing around a lot in this zone, and I thought since it broke below this, it was a valid. I mean, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it was playing a lot in this zone. I ain't gonna lie. I definitely should have just let it go. You know, below on the 15, the hour. We were like, yeah, I low key should have just waited. No cap. Should have just either just gotten out or like never took the trade. Yeah, 4 hour and the 1 hour. I was tripping on this. I ain't gonna cap. It's an invalid setup for sure. But hey, man, we learned the lesson. I ain't tripping about it. You know, we come back tomorrow. and just try to rock out tomorrow. You know, looking at other setups. You know, other setups ain't really hitting right now, but it is what it is. Damn. Cause I did miss my setup on GU. I was up around this time. Yeah, I was up around this time right here, where this I did through this setup. Where's it at? Right here. And yeah, so damn, I missed my setup, bro. Oh, that would have been perfect, cause my entry would have been right here, stop loss just right here. And man, it's like every time I miss my entry, like I see a setup and I miss it, the next setup I take is always a loser. I hate that, bro. Like that shit's crazy. But hey, man, hopefully you guys learned something in this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this. Probably not. Nope.